Hello there, it's Christian Youngren with Kaizen Automotive Consulting, bringing you more best automotive practices. Kaizen literally means change for the better, and continuous improvement is what our company is all about. Helping ourselves, helping others, and helping companies change for the better. Now, if this is your first time to our channel, and you want to improve your automotive selling skills, you want to learn how to use psychology to close more car deals, and receive unbiased reviews on dealership product and service companies, make sure you subscribe and then turn on that bell. That way you never miss out on learning anything new. Well, all right then, let's get to work. Another one, you've offended me on pricing. So they say, and this one's okay, depends on the situation. The offended me is they say to you, hey, I want to get an additional discount. And then you say to them, hey, you know what, Bill? 90% of our dealership guests just want to get the very best price up front. And maybe 10% or so do want to negotiate. Now, because of this fact, we just go ahead and play the odds and pre-discount all of our vehicles like I discussed earlier. See how that kind of comes back off? But 10% or so do want to negotiate. So, but we've really found, and the reason we like doing this is because it just really leads to a trusting long-term relationship with our guests. Now, having said that and told you how we price the vehicle, have I offended you in any way by giving our best price up front? No one's ever going to say no to that, so it's a good way to never get somebody to say no.